In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a full month of bookkeeping in QuickBooks Online. We're going to walk through a simple monthly workflow you can repeat every single month, so your books stay clean, organized, and ready for tax time or financial reviews. First, let's take care of categorizing your transactions. Start by making sure your bank accounts and credit cards are connected to QuickBooks Online, or that you've uploaded your transactions from a file your bank provides. Once those are in, head over to the Banking or Transactions tab. Here, you'll see a section called For Review. This is basically your inbox of uncategorized activity. Go through each transaction and assign it to the right account, such as utilities, software, office supplies, or meals. When possible, also select the correct vendor or customer. Taking the time to do this accurately will make your reports much more meaningful later on, and it will save you a lot of cleanup work at year-end. Next, you'll reconcile your financial accounts. Click on the gear icon and choose Reconcile. From the drop-down, select the bank or credit card account you want to reconcile for the month. Have your bank or credit card statement open and carefully compare the beginning and ending balances and the individual transactions. Your goal is to match what's in QuickBooks with what actually cleared the bank. If something doesn't line up, look for duplicates, missing entries, or incorrect amounts. Keep adjusting until the difference shows 0. This step is critical because it confirms that your QuickBooks data truly reflects your real-world bank activity. Now let's look at accounts payable and receivable. On the payable side, review all outstanding bills from your vendors. Make sure any bills you've received are entered, and that payments you've already made are recorded against those bills. This helps you avoid paying anyone twice and keeps your cash flow picture accurate. On the receivable side, review open invoices to customers. Send any invoices that haven't gone out yet, and then check your aging report to see who still owes you money. Follow up on overdue balances so you can keep cash coming in on time. Once that's done, it's time to generate and review your financial reports. Run your profit and loss and your balance sheet for the month. Look for anything that seems out of place, like negative balances where they shouldn't be, or expenses that look unusually high or low. If something doesn't look right, go back to the source transactions and make any corrections you need. Finally, you'll perform your month-end close. Go back to the gear icon, then into Company Settings and open the Advanced section. Under Accounting, choose to close the books. Check the box to enable closing, and enter your closing date as the last day of the month you just finished. This locks that period so no one can change it without a warning, which helps protect the accuracy of your finalized numbers. By following this flow every month, you'll keep your QuickBooks Online file accurate, up to date, and ready for whatever financial decisions you need to make.